Hello, my name is Kyle, and today I'm going to be taking you through step by step on how to start earning Dflare on the Songbird Canary network. Before we start, you need to have a MetaMask wallet installed and to have Songbird tokens. There's a link in the video below of how to install MetaMask. Go up top, open a new tab, and in the URL, type in xfx.flr.finance. It will direct you to the FLAREX platform. FLAREX is actually 3 platforms in one. There's Flare Farm, Flare Loans, and of course FLAREX. You will also notice on top that you are on experimental product suite on the Songbird Canary network. So you can click on connect your wallet, and then you can see MetaMask is searching for my permission. I'm going to give permission to connect to my account. Connect. I'm going to refresh the browser, and it's asking me would I like to switch to the Songbird Canary network. Yes, I would. Again, I'm going to confirm the switch networks. Now that I have my MetaMask wallet on the Songbird Canary network connected to FLAREX, we can start trading. It is important to note that you do not want to trade all your Songbird for Canary dollars, that you need to leave some Songbird unwrapped in your wallet to pay for gas fees. I recommend 5 Songbird tokens. So I'm going to start off by typing in I want to trade 0.2 Songbird for 0.07 Canary dollars. Going to swap. I'm then going to confirm this transaction in my wallet. Transaction is currently pending. And we have success. So now we're going to switch on to liquidity, and we're going to provide liquidity of 2 assets, Songbird and Canary dollars, and we're going to create a liquidity pool token. So again, we're going to provide, and we're going to need to have equal parts Songbird and Canary dollars. It's a 50-50 ratio that you have to input to create the liquidity pool token. I'm going to use all of my Canary dollars, and it will automatically produce the amount of Songbird that is necessary. Click on Provide Liquidity. Again, confirm the transaction. And that is currently pending. Now that that's confirmed, we're going to go to FLAREX, toggle the drop-down menu, and we're going to go to Flare Farm. And right here you can see that we have Songbird Canary dollars liquidity pool, and the reward is Dflare. So we're going to start staking, and we're going to stake all of the liquidity pool token that we just created. If you have not done this before with your account, there will be an extra confirmation to approve the contract. Just confirm that, and then confirm this transaction. And there you have it. We have now staked our liquidity pool token in the farm, and we are currently earning Dflare. You can periodically claim your Dflare and or change your stake by toggling either of these buttons. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.